Hey viewers, today we are going to look into that PLSQL procedure language or structured query language. Okay, so we'll start the video. So we don't need to get this. So our agenda is to explain the PLSQL structured query language. Okay. So these are the basic steps we have to know. Entire PLSQL will be depending upon this only. So first of all, we have to look into overview of PLSQL and the blocks of PLSQL. So we are dividing the programming into different blocks that I will explain. It is very easy and to learn. And wherever you are going and Snowflake or Informatica, any data analytics, there and all common PLSQL will be there. In Oracle, it's very common thing. You have to achieve this very easy. So here, whatever the concepts are there, that and all you have to cover variables and placeholders, program flow control statements, cursors, so like whatever the things we have to cover entire PLSQL. Here agenda level I have mentioned here. So please note it down everything. So these are the core concepts you have to learn. So these are the root concept. So if anybody asking the interview question that what are the concepts of PLSQL means you have to explain everything like cursors, functions will be there, procedures, error handling will be there. So several packages, triggers, jobs, and schedulers. Jobs means nothing but schedulers will be there. Yeah. So first level we'll go through that overview of PLSQL. Yeah. So coming to PLSQL, it's like the full form is procedural language and extension to SQL, nothing but. Okay, SQL means a single query you are executing. That's an SQL, right? Structured query language on the table or multiple tables using joins you are performing and several things. Okay. So, but procedural language means nothing but a collection of queries you are combining into like one package means one place you are keeping each and it dependent you are going to execute, right? So procedural data manipulation conditions, loops, etc. will be there. And high level language features that here complex data types and data encapsulations. High level language features is complex data types. Okay. Whatever the complex data types will be there, like long data, blob data, and file handlings, and all they will be covered going through videos. Data encapsulations and how to hide the data means what are the code you are hiding and implementation only you are doing by executing a stored method. It's a definition. And modular programming. So modules, so it means like packages and the jobs, nothing. Yeah. And integrated with the Oracle database server. Okay. So PLSQL will be basically integrated with the Oracle database server. That is called server side and end user platform independent. Okay. A server side means nothing but there is a huge difference between SQL and PLSQL. Okay. SQL is nothing but is a separate engine for SQL is there, and there is a separate engine in PLSQL will be there. Okay. But compared to SQL engine, PLSQL engine very super fast and super efficient also. So normally there are two types of people will be there to write PLSQL code. That commonly queries you write will execute in the PLSQL. So we'll thought the stored wizard we have written is running in PLSQL. Okay, whatever the statements like DML operations we are doing, nothing but everything is not running in PLSQL, but it is under PLSQL. Okay, it is coming and accessing the SQL and executing PLSQL. That is different perspective or performance concept it will come. Okay, so I will explain the next step that see, writing PLSQL programs. So the first step, each program is a block of consisting of. Okay, every programming having one block, right? Or class or structure will be there, like Java classes will be there. Not at same line. PHP starting and ending with that. Like that only. For PLSQL, there is a different structures will be there. Okay, each program is a block consisting of PLSQL statements and SQL statements. As is told earlier, PLSQL statements will be separate and SQL statements will be separate, like data manipulation. SQL statement nothing but DML operation, update, delete, anything. That too you have to run under the PLSQL engine. Means for that separate strategies are there, separate concepts are there in PLSQL. That's what the main concept to use, and it will increase the efficiency in the code also. The quality of code you can able to write. So type of block. So there are different types of blocks. Will be there two types of block mainly: anonymous blocking and named stored buzzer, like stored buzzer package, whatever it may be. So anonymous block is nothing but you are not storing your program anywhere in the database. Okay. So you are writing an anonymous block which is going to access PLSQL. Okay. Two types you can able to access the PLSQL engine. One is anonymous, and another one is named or stored buzzers or functions or packages or jobs something. So anonymous is two types. External script. Okay. Scripts, external scripts means file or input. Okay, so file or input means so you can able to write into a .sql file, .txt, anything else. You can able to upload to the server From there, you have to connect to SQL Plus. Okay. SQL Plus, you have to connect. So I think in colleges itself, you may have access to everybody who ever practiced SQL. They may have access the SQL Plus easily. So when you're taking coaching, also they will practice you in SQL Plus like CMD. CMD also can access SQL Plus. After installation, I will show you that installation process, everything. Yeah. So like that, you can able to execute the file. You have to write the script into one file, and you have to execute, and it will be run automatically. Okay, you're not storing into any SQL server database. And nested blocks. The nested blocks will be there. That uh, hmm, how it will be means we will take a part of code and will execute on the process. So this is somewhat tricky, and I will explain in future videos. Okay. Yes. This is what the PLSQL execution structure that see here. PLSQL block will be there. Okay. So how PLSQL will be executed? SQL engine is separate, PLSQL is separate as I told you. Okay. So when PLSQL block is hitting the PLSQL engine, PLSQL block will be divided in two types. Okay, as I told you, procedural and SQL will be there. SQL means nothing but DML operation, update, deletes, or inserts will be there. No, that will come to database server SQL statement executor. That's called SQL engine. And on the top of that, PLSQL engine will be there. Okay, procedural execution statement. There it will go and it will execute. But compared to SQL statement executor, PLSQL block is very fast and efficient. You can able to perform millions of transactions very easily. So for today, this is what the video, guys. Yeah, hope you like the video and you learned something from this video. Please do subscribe and like and share the video. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, guys. We'll catch up in the next one, upcoming session.